Hello and welcome to an Xbox 360 Ring of Death quick fix. Let's get straight to it. To be able to do this fix, you will need a variety of screwdrivers, ones that can fit in almost every hole, a large selection of knives, for when those screwdrivers turn out not to fit anyway, a butter knife and spatula, a broken Xbox 360, preferably red ringing, a jar of mayonnaise. Smooth mayonnaise is fine, but crunchy is preferred. First of all, take apart the console. You can now watch me struggle to do that. Secondly, locate the heatsink. Third, spread mayonnaise all over it. Get it right into those grooves, completely cover it. When it's all nice and coated in mayo, leave it to breathe for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the mayonnaise will form a protective heat-resistant crust around the heatsink. When finished waiting, put your console back together again. Reconnect to your television and power supply, take a deep breath, and turn the console on. There you have it! The Xbox console is working again, and it hasn't cost you hundreds of pounds. Plus, every time you turn it on, you now get the satisfying smell of warm egg. Obviously, it's a really bad idea to put condiments anywhere near the inside of an Xbox 360 console or any other electrical device, really. I strongly advise you not to put mayonnaise inside your console at all and cannot take any responsibility for the repercussions of doing so. This is only a silly video. Thank you. If you have enjoyed this fix, please comment, rate, subscribe, and feel free to check out some of the other videos, mostly about dogs, over on my channel. Bye!